Barabake. This Monday, Somandala Telajang is Tilibulo saying it's almost 3 minutes to 1. Purukananang Puruning Badingole Kachadoro. Abemu Gambia quality de. Especially more minuli alongo ibe diaspora because wole ka access soto bake pour ka live Facebook olu jube so mbal control na bake nata kote ke drong pour ka itandi mol la ko we want peace, nothing but peace in this country. Bari nafikia mbewole bulala because ninkonka nafikia ke ya tarangam fang keko ntemu alala mo baleti pour mol sen jube waka yen horma kan bar alawe daji kolo na be expose la lungo minna ila nafikia kan itita ke la fenti kotake hanikabi is about election so ngamera ni mo lafta peace kumo prit la bi inyanta fola Adama Barole because mbenga Adama Barola statement ol moyle before the election ako after election abe munekela. This is a concern and I will ring the bell of alarm of this concern. Banku din kendol Adama mina wolle mutala aya foka te kela fenti Gambia nyim banku kanjang aya feel ko wol abela downfall ole jala. Banku dingolu alinga lo nyofe tonya kan alinga bula nkafo ko karimu nyin sioleti karibe nyim patile to karibe tenne nyinketante malubaleti nka moy molula secretly e ka discourse ka fo nyoy ko Ninga Adama against we are favoring UDP. Andu womo kilingol le kafuko Adama is not good. Adama nyanta bola jele. Adama bahut. Adama defa wara dem. Bari bi womo kilingol le la molu kumandi koy ko alkate o fay Adama because ni wonte ni UDP le bina. Bari buka reason for muna na malafi UDP na ka reason o mim for wolom nyindiko UDP mu tribalist partilet ya rey fawle alonko kati ika faniale for la molie. These are the hypocrites minuli alonko ibe janjandi mol kono inside the globe and untel kontel ni wol bere denta Gambia la. But what goes around comes around. Yes, Nalia miracle. UDP, this is going to be the downfall of UDP. But UDP has started from a long way. Ntede, I'm not going in for any GoFundMe. Na bota, iko UDP, patio, isulata makoi rola. That one, if I have the money, I will contribute. Apart from that, I'm not contributing in anything. Only UDP. And numbe oko indla. Barensi banku dingol tentu baki. Nyimbanko mole karte o faile andu ya fa UDP ele. Yes, ya fa UDP ele. Barinte Musa wallahi ni ya trako e one single vote ya kalamutale ko wodam male fango sunyata ya la Adama Baroje mayam fu Aliou Mamar Ndiaye mayam fala aye bi momo dunta ko kono mayam fu marié pour Adama Baroje kente la presidenti kotake for the next 5 years. I'll sorry like network or yalong Gambia jankai network or sometimes it's very weak. So ni ajen ko ni hypocrite sol minuli yalong ko e kumasta ibe saferol kekan andi ko activist lomu iteluti but they are writing today ka Adama Barrow congratulate le of electing him nketel mo klingol le moy e ka kumol minul fo Adama Barrow ma barali nge bula they think that ko yes UDP boytale sa intella hope mu minti wala be kela Adama mu Gambia be la president de ando Adama be kalila la ko Gambia be le treat la equally na ma ke fone alqur'ano yaate halaki nkonga president ol jeja nemaje labano halakita birin lungo minne be fenke ginela president lungo minne ba kunina la rangoka iba sambala isate ya sindidula kilondo fomo be nyamaje fo manke president how many years obe president yala bar wolungo ni aje kaminta ko momi yalon ko ibukalon fang mune kuba dala fomo be mawoje fo manke president is Adama more presidency than that man wala senior fonko ngor fo Adama fama bo Gambia tata waya kay nata experience karibul fo Adama mawf so nintella hypocrite you know Gambia we have one problem nafiko le siabata Gambia yes nafiko siabata konola and we need to be very much careful we have to work on our heart alnga njusol kono doku nyimmanke tribe kuti nyimmanke tribe ko tribe kulati nimi yamuta tribe koti yoto ya feel ko Gambia de tonya mandi ko le siata ja we have to give them that credit nte manke mandin kati bar mandin ko le siata ja we have to give the mandingas that credit ala le woke ntelma woke nimi malla fi mandin ko la siata ja oto taita mu sio minta siata dami you go there mo me muta go there because itala mandin kamfa mandin ko kama wotati nan la mandin ko yebo Gambia andu alkaw siol minul fo ni tata mandin kol ya fo be ka carte woni mandin kol bul say munati na nibe campaign rek ni mandin ko na re munane bu ka fay ko no we don't want to deal with you al teleta bari kata mandin kol ya e ka fo ko ngam fankara fa lale fo bu ka ke anal be nyindiro la al kal fankara fa al ben afiki al talala bari ñim Facebook ko al ni mol be ñoo bouton lola janneto nak ngal horomale ngal buña bari al te fealante la bankola nal ya mirako Adama Barrow la tambo ala congratulate mbelom ntala musoka ta marché o mindu maybe ni mustete mari bulu jang dol be useless ringi be bankol minul kan nga banka mané woje wolu nga kabe diamo la ka foko this is a done deal banka ite you are a rebel ex rebel lo muy tati itamu ex rebelity ni ma woke ni man dogo Gambia je fania fo Gambia man sakundai because you have no hope now in America and yela life based penal imagine wolu ngaje sirim famo paneloto I was struggling to know naman diamu ni ma foko banka manelo malo jumalo because he looks so ibukalo ngabe nyami you know so ni womo si falle ko itelle kanane ke dabulante la political discourse to be kala jumale is only Adama Barrow because the man is so desperate to hang on to power because of a minkelo the man is grossly corrupt banka mane wolonne ko Adama is grossly corrupt because what corruption only ebula nyimbel but the detriment is coming back to Adama Barrow wallahi billahi tallahi foniatra ko we don't fight mantonya ma Adama kele wala foniatra ko nka fanianka Adama kele wala then Adama will succeed bari ntellebe hawjirim bari alaw bu ka hawji mokoto de alnga Adama tuje and in disgrace ole be bola nyin state house to one day yes one day imagine la camp hypocrisy kumasta Minister Bebe Borka Morolia Ibal Bondilal because you people are useless almunafiko leti Ibal Bondilal because Adama want to give Fabakar Wolu and Yandaka Palaso Diola Rambo Jatala aim and objective be muminti wolom KMC pour kataka JB Tinya so KMC kola total telebulu whether you people will change Talib Bensouda to that useless riffraff man Aliyamra la plano mu kuwa kuti malo Rambo ebe KMC kol tarrajele ebe KMC kol tarrajele so this is what Adama plans for Gambia Alaji Conte Adama yaitan loko abe Alaji Conte put lala into his knee but Adama manke alati Alaji Conte ka fuaro le makoy Alaji Conte ka bayol le makoy Alaji Conte ka murunteo le makoy so you cannot do anything to that man dunia fanutale yes niya batandi Gambia ndesan asita ita tumaranke ya wandi banko kambara sala na flow invest je andu alaba fendilala Alaji Conte raise your head up Momadou Sabali is your target that guy yalong na fenketa womo useless no le koy kala audio ala tape so le bonde against their own people if all ka momin support no if all ka ya jamme min support no ya jamme because alafta Momadou Sabali na fikol dunta na tema afango e fengo safi akay ko taya read GRTS as you are my Secretary General. Mamadou Sabally was doing his job. But Mamadou Sabally muruta la siyo kanne kaitandi wala ko. It was conditional. Hey, Mamadou Sabally, raise your head up. Misilmo mu mandinka mu misilmo. Wo beye la accept andu momo ba fo kange. E ba fo kange nafiki yale kang. God, Allah will protect you, Mamadou Sabally. You are educated. Hani B. It's a doko internationally and you will get it. You will get it. And wo amamfuta obeto fang. Barrow, for these 5 years, it is going to be a hot seat for him because devil layer sindige, evil layer sindige, untruthfulness layer sindige. Alamu mansa kilinet. Alamu mansa kilinet. Let's hope for the best. We advocate for peace. Muhammad la fife ofen about for peace. So if the election is rigged, alkong andei nkana femfo. You see the hypocrites. Niano candidates will be Adama Barrow call ya congratulate. Who are those candidates? Who are those candidates? Who cares about them to congratulate Adama Barrow? Who cares? Yes, let them congratulate him. Because I feel like a UDP le, a pen put into UDP le. But this is not about UDP. This is about our country. UDP happens to be the biggest political party. But Ali all hate. And now, why you people are political leaders? You looking for people. So, but UDP also alama alakana moldi alla aye ko dindal aleke jele fengoti Gambia, and this will happen because almu nafi kollet, almu hypocrite sollet. Some of the political party leaders. Yes. So my fault. All the UDP supporters minule alonke be diaspora inyanta tala momo ila regionoto biroto. There will be an information munebekela UDP la lo nyati after this election. So mbemo be danila minule alonke albe hamerim bag hamol be walarin. We go to the street. UDP is a law abiding political party. They will do the appropriate thing. Silandate oto alkana hani wori wala mokana kamfa fo lana tambi kumofo Gambia diul man karto fay adamay. So you cannot rule the minority want to rule the majority, so majority have to calm down. But Gambia diul man karto fay Adama Barrow. Even a mad dog yalo Aliou Mamar Njie akona be break la katara alquran karangol la ala office kono. He knows what is in the Quran. So atela ya long nteta accuse la fenna de whatever transpired, but say UDP bela ibela data soul be collect from their agencies to go and compare. Yeah. Gunjur mbenga Adama Barrow la taje janne Gunjur. Mbenga Gunjur la result soul jele. How comes Adama Barrow binala be dan aben danaje? How comes the entire IEC albebe tarra in shame because nobody is going to trust you people. Ni president mimbe siring altel ka ole fasa. Ni mimbe siring, ni mimmansi albuka o fasa, but mimbe siring alka ole fasa. Ni momo nata kote we Adama Barrow bondi albe o mo kilung fana albe the same game le kela we. Allah integrity ale Ninatina at the end of Ntela Mula Dokuo, a bekana tinya ibukana keno fenti ifanola bankoka. This is it. Banko manyan natala wonyama. Baringalon ko UDP call are law abiding people, ibe lua bunyala. Ibe tamala ni luala. Ngajele recently, Asafeta ko Esafal has accepted the result. But in Benga alone Esa will accept the result because Esa is a good person. But in alone ko brie Esa je Usain Daboya I wulitale iko Esa ko buko def Jumal la fire ala molu. Ikai ko buko def you are supporting Usainu Dabo. Iko Esa ko 2026 imu potential opposition letting him bankunka. So do not support Usain Dabo. Let him go. And ayela moila. Yaitandala ko Adama is going to give you the integrity and we let TRRC or we let legacy is going to honor it. My friend, kuoku nata mata nyimbankun kanjala lonko mole beje mim fadamba lonna we mole long and mimba kachala. Esa I respect him. Nata ya feel ko inila comrade sol tatal al sita. Eko, we will investigate about the results. And o investigation of Mahani Bank, etela comrade Solman Find, eteta sikoteke, you congratulate, yaitandiko, you have endorsed and respect the results of the election. Munatina Janni Vitalaje, Emma Woke. What went wrong? What do you think is wrong? And do further investigations ke koteke. But all eyes are on you. People are watching. People are watching. Nilafte la political career tinyala try to do it binia foteng samaya fotenting. Now Mama Kande is their target. If Mama Kande fanayale kago leave UDP alone because he can fit in all the bond. That UDP Italian form UDP is the most peaceful political party today. That UDP wala ke problem party Gambia. Ale ivulo la doko jele de. But Adama, I will tell you one thing. Today, you think you have the power. You can do anything. You can give orders. They will respect your orders, act on your orders. But Adama, wallahi, one day, Iba Miralako, Italian order D. And Adama, I will remind you one thing. Adama, you came to UDP. You respect the leaders of that UDP. Ye palasu bunyari ngochika ya dila UDP. Ite fango banko mantara takuka. Iko banko mol corruption ola bije. B wo UDP ene tambindi fo UDP la alfal muta Adama. Listen to me. Ye UDP la alfal soron. Ndesan. Inata yete tambindi. Andu ye tambindi unconditionally because itata moro lea ye doku ye kmol dundi kabur kol koto. But with all that they stand for you, they stood beside you. Purka make sure they will do everything. Ibama minnata motoko no wolu ya jindi motoko na tada karte fay. Otumo hani cycle buga samba karte fay dula. Womu skebale ko Gambian ko ka laftantele dingo fala. Bari bima ja ka bula moto ko ne air conditioner mala security yoli ya muta ay tay carte o fay Gambiano le officer mante ya dila alata kola UDP call bi ko etebe kurtu singo du nebe o UDP le tela. You don't have that potential, you don't have that power because UDP lo da tonyala kan to come and salvage that country. Itete o tela no itelebe tela ila kafo be tela ila kafo munafik kafo lati ite fam munafikol because ni manke nafikoti Nita manke nafikoti Adama Barrow billahi ya actionol minulke ika kumol minul fay Usain Dabo ika kumol minul fay UDP kolka ita wo fola ita wo fola but UDP until we will stood beside each other nyimman sake because mobe yalo ko Adama you lose the election niano ya foyko ye 600,000 le win. But ite yalo nini ala nin kila tema ipita alqur'ano mi mutala ko kekali ko you are re-elected into that office wa alqur'ano le be halakila because e man tara kalikan tonya kan alqur'ano manke fair fend. I am telling you nimuiti kane kali alqur'ano la wallahi billahi kane kali alqur'ano because you knows very well ko ima election o win. Yes, ima election o win. So niye kali wa alqur'ano la abe halakila ni me ke ko ila generation a se be halaki. So don't do it. Don't sacrifice because of Palazzo your generation. Don't do it. Don't do it. Because ebe Palazzo minto yalo noko election o masila Gambia de me sindije. Ika foko ite 456,000 for where? Adama ikata campaign ola janne ite fama yalo ne juma leke bendu ngole ke kamfandi katu diamu sifa bekela. How comes it take 13,000 sort of $. Lawyer Dabo will get 3,000 and Wodulal found mu UDP la stronghold so let. the lawyer Dabola 1 ntega mira ni ko 13,000 for lawyer Dabo Adama 3,000 ikanna wano le bondi yena ya lafa Adama la trio nyato yentel ke 3,000 di Adama ke 13,000. This is what I believe. Gambia dingul man carte of Adama ntabe Gambia le. I went around election dulalto alnga try nga smart enough to know these stupid people la TikToks. 10 o'clock 12 by 10 11 12 Adama will be la cabinet room o kono ngaje ka result sol be tablet wayatra IEC mantra result sol foka andu that result le fintida andu aliya remember ko Maimuna Sise Dabo nene diamuta ako Lamin said na IT expert olom he is going pour ka data collection okay so that we can know that ko Jumal le nyanta ka gagner Jumal le be carte of file NPP so that is NPP is alonko ye mojel le soto. So yo calculation on leke ka carte maneolu kan no figo mo kana mira ko bari wo kaito findita in April le XL lom itele wo dadal hani yata ko 10 candidates lom yo be dadal so mune be kala ni candidate min qualified e ba jubele le be candidate o min to slot la mun to ni mun to yale ta hanila ya foko e be Ablay Jammeh kala nun where UDP was to get 200,000 yeta UDP ga atela for 12,000 for jëm yalla te o kala hani nyaale mata bari tele Adama Barrow ni UDP de ye wol bela result dadale nu yabe safi so nyindolu mamma kande ni nyindol fana yabe dada ye figo ndingol ke woto ya lonko wol manke potential competitor solti so biri ya lonko sai esa fal natale after April kodi so yo blabla le blank so they fill the name of Esa Fal there. Ablay Jammeh natala after April. Ablay Jammeh the same thing ye wala ke ofanane yate fanan to enta auto ila plano nyindu so a manke ko yada dale from number 1 to number 6 I banta dale from number 1 up to number 10 so sa mbiri yaje ko 6 le loda ye nyindol delete. It's simple. Whom are they fooling here? Momin be benta stadium of found UDP la nomination day. Who is more than 300,000 people? Nomination day. Momin be benta bakote. So UDP ma hani Adama can tell double. Adama ita fa nyanda sila le yemira. Imaje ila molu imam fin di celebration la fo suto because sungol lo malti aliya sunyal. Take it. Be at that position, but in him peace te benaje. Honest to Muhammad. Ibalo nako Gambia diun. Ngamolu je sai kumasta kabulan na dina nyaton kolu la na dina bunton kolu na moru kundan kolu. Eko ka fa wole min be fa felenta manke. You people ngamiral kumo buka tama. Adama manyi election o win. Albe alon nako Adama man carte o fay. Moru kunda don kolu min foko Usain Dabole be kala president. Mole carte o fay Usain Dabole. It's very simple. Iba folo ko dino hydra nyino dino hydra min be fo nga be je janne alinga lamoy muna mina kelan ko Adama ka sitale saya sa tarano jela alama jam falala. I would not like any illegal move pour ka fuko ba bondila. I will not support that any illegal move but fewo fel legal ta let us go andu wobe kelale. Haniyato UDP is going to stand alone. UDP meta olale to stand for the truth. Hey, tonya kelo mandiade. Ibajira hypocrite sol be fintile ba folako fitina mollo muiti. Ni fitina mollo UDP di alterni UDP mimu fitina mol. Nga molije ebe safero kela. Ebe kumo sifa be folako ha na lafta parliamentary election or boycott la alta boycott la. Jumalo ko UDP don't run away from anything. Nalbuka UDP support. I'll tell you APRC support already. Sign on alcohol jumped to Barrow because you have a personal hatred for Usainu Dabo. Ya Alma long. Frank. Alma long. You can criticize woman ke problem ti. Hani kila sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Afango la family kona mandol keno misilimoti. Amandol keno misilimoti. We need to be careful. We need to be careful. Alinga sabari, alinga tonya londi, alala hypocrisy bula. My fati You can continue to celebrate because ita la carte ya fay Adama Barole. Ni arreta na fay ya fay Adama Barole. That Adama mi eta minister yala ye bay ako na diamu tetela kuoto dunia be bole tole. Anata ye nene ayeta ye diamundi ayeta ko deke briya lonko abe baylale e resignta. Mo be alonogo that very day Adama be bayla lumine resignta. Mo be olon mo bele alongo Adama be bailal bari follow ya saba iri sainta so mo me forcer de pour join parti o parti kan no mo me forcer wala but today if you are celebrating it's the same pain my fati tonyalom Ahmed Ba ku jamal yalon Ahmed Ba Adama Barrow mbe advice la Ahmed Ba bondi tourism ye modo jube ye wokeje modo jube ya kije itela ya lonko Ahmed Ba is a hypocrite bari la molu kuma téléphone Kenya ku ya dolu fe because wotumo election wato lo muy koy ko no ibula ntele ni la molte man tela hajo haitiye ye fem fom foyma ye fem fen kela na haji teoto ntel ni la isu mu banko la problem wole because itela ya lonko la molde are incapable il comité famo be nyami itela ya lonko la molu na fikol lo muyti comité famo be nyami it's as simple as that ite ya lonne mimbe caring bari ni la hypocrite sol mbe danila kana na banko tinya kana na banko tinya kana na banko la na fulo tinya banko dingol haynan ibe mane ika container kina ila container buka fuda kata for 3-4 months container kilo niya kina Senegal 9 days sometimes na meta pro Senegal is 21 days bar Gambia akata for 3-4 months Adama banku dingol te hako tule ini kairate bolanyin state house od malabe kela wenlete barinte nenete hako tule te. I am telling you that you are a wicked person, very self-centered. Adama ike kungo drone neje ibine siso konkonna ko imaje 3 months lom teketa president ti jang natal ngana 5 years okay ngana parti olonde parti kutolomu nga Gambia be bute with mi yalon ko nomba nene man soto ibe wo folale bari milie wa tapale ya city ye ini yake lum fanam be soto la very well ibe sila le bafala karle fa embula nyinna itemu information risklet jumale ni tebe agreement kel iba folan yalo lota kenoto le ko fa bakar le ko ye UDP kol jamfa you did it ilote ko fa bakar ko nte jamfa la ye kali otuteni fa bakar buruje because two hypocrites le malti ntetene nade barin si jiko foye ila jiko mu hypocrisy ila inen dan nengo woten nanak because you are this president of the Republic of the Gambia bari bi nteba folele ko imankente la president for the simple reason the election is rigged ete wolonne ntel manjar ka o foyete but sit there the devil is coming for you wallahi ibalo nako alamu man solete Adama Barrow. So nimboda woto ngana Gambia nkolu kan Gambia Adama tata tola altel Gambia no le lota ali fertilizer kumo fay farmers ay mune fale ko yenna fertilizer suñale e ka samba Senegal bara ay mune ke wo woto nothing alcohol tata Allah si fatam fas si manya kan alka carte o fay Adama because alko ñun buguñ UDP mim falani UDP alka wolefo fulol ni surwalu aliye woleke aliye wolefo alla molle kafo nseleta mi audio milka surwam ko surwalom iko bulen vote for UDP Adama Bawut nak way ñu jox ko suñ vote parce que suñ joxuñ Adama suñ vote UDP moy ñew ali wala fo a audiol be mol bulule ke altelle afo ntelnal be denta Gambia la surwa mandinka jola serere sarahule ntelnal denta la alwo hypocrisy bula surwal mu mo kendol leti bar surwal alla dinula ala foy ko mandinkol man fenkela please ntelom kilinti. I don't know who is sending me requests. Fasalim Malang, I go through the line. Jube Malong. Somebody is sending me requests. Who the guy is? God. So, Mimbije, what am I I would even stop ka explain ale konta manke mandinkati. But the hypocrisy, wallahi, amantra mandinko la karola, abentele la karola, ntel fulol kake, surwal kake. Ha, jola bu kake. Sainon, sahulo dolube fangu bulangi efe. Yes. Hello. I think his network is not good. I just have to cancel him down there. Yeah, okay. So what be it? Etelle ka fo de audio findita milia fo moli e lonne juma wollom. Bar nini sita e ka fo ko way Adama Bawut. Bar yela mol kumandi audio kiyena kaitandila ko alkana carte of UDP because against Solena against Adama Barrow UDP ngena dolel. Ika wole fo ko ka UDP le semben tuya muna jaretal yo wala ngo surwa jumale ka fajang man ni kama mabela bade ko fula mamma beje jola mamma beje sarahule mamma beje ntelom kilenti alinga wobula alinga bula ngal dani let's be together alinga ke kilenti alinga ke kilenti alinga nyi si ko bula alinga bula na fatala Usenu Dabo aliye hatred min sota ay mune kala nali famal be palaso to ye tapale yake mola moye Usenu Dabo ke loyata ay tonya tamandi against alfama wol ka alfama wolom criminal oluti amang Usenu man fenge he didn't do anything wrong, he did his job ala do ko leke baral so nyina biye wo hypocrisy mimbe nyim bankun kanjang mbe wala bulala nko surwalu alnintel be mu kilinete ntamu fuloleti difference tentel nal tema bara la dindingolu ibe manya sifa minna faltel alfalle ka foye bang kadunde nte fama mu fuloleti bara nena ma fonte ko mandinkolu man betea nte fama ay mandinka musol futule ay jola muso futu ay fula muso futu bara nene ma fonte ko mandinko man betea muni ati naltel katula fula alla di niwle ko so say baw because Allah is sen ya fol yalla waya fa diwle al nga sabari baba ebelar neno ko ndela me kunu sorry bawa sorry so nyino mu kuti mi yalon ka be kering e ba kurkur kanade itate mini esa fallale e kay ko kana Adama Barrow kana ni risolto challenge because iteman na fa soto je you are not among the contenders, you are giving chance to Usenu Dabo, but I think Esa's experience should pass that level. But Esa yemin foye yake tomorrow ebe murule kanne ba fole ko dede hamga li ndoga diala la wolu ne ni be kamfala nyokama iba sen kanna yes because ite mo me forcé mo man na kidilo tonka itele ni mama kande ni Ousainou Darboe mita ale join press conference okay joint press conference aliyake bar ni tata je ko adama ko xam nga ñi ñaari lawyer yi dañ am doole waaye pour affaire Essa moom dinañ def yépp pour moom mu withdraw si so they have done it but this is so fast within 24 hours they have succeeded on him because ya itandala ko okay biri ko be contest la no malla fi nu yelo nu adama fe bari ilo tafi andu Essa the biggest disgrace you got it the votes you get in Banjul are not your real votes you get something in Banjul ye fen sort of Banjul le honestly ye fen sort of Banjul le andu that Sewmar Faye mu defense minister wo Essa Faal ya lonne ko Sewmar Faye wol mala molleti an wolle atine lot but ikada adama yale ike fanke ko ni Essa mantara ku kalama they don't call Essa with their official telephone number they are not stupid they will jang ese kato dol sanno le mar register e ma stupid they have a telephone mi ya longo be obula la suole kono mi inasi diamuno inise la kuol keno while ibe adama kan ibe nyindoka because iba fula ko hamga lol suma liggey la waaye ki defa xamul dara yow suñu rakala rang waaye da nga janga xam nga yépp mun nga nekka li mun nga nekka li ni tata adama e kay ko fatel koku amul dara du mëna def dara yow ya am doole waaye adama yow ya baax because he can jaliale kai but Essa Faal will be deceived kanne I am telling you you are my brother you are my brother because imu molati min ka molu lamoy bare biri dunda politiko kono nak ngetra le before politics ni ka diamule bare biri dunda politiko kono I believe ko yenna saferol leje okay tonyalo mu nte I respect you bare nte ngay tandila outright ko du kare nye dane nive political kela not at this time inyanda 2016 la batula 2026 la batula because of ite ila integrity mu TRRC lati but niyo ke drong mo abe fonala ko TRRC yewole use as political fonko ajube adama boro bote nenkan bari maje tate nokan ye convince adama la kola isontala now iko isonta result nyinal without even investigating you should have wait altella pulling station dol bi alma agentol fangol sotoje so how can you challenge that result alta challenge no obviously ima agentol fang soro wala nani Ablaye Jammeh ko Adam Barrow ko congratulations Ablaye Jammeh nyininka how many pulling station lom ay agentol soto dami NPP, GDC, UDP, well, every polling station, especially NPP and UDP, they have agents there. They have agents. But Ablaye Jammeh, it's a NUP, it's a agent sort of labet. How can you determine the result? It's not bad for you to say, Adama Barrow, congratulations, President-elect. Well, Allah prerogative from what? Bari, mbemi fola Adamai, ye molu minul sambe na priye target, Ramu Sabali, anala brother, Alaji Conte, Talib Bensouda, Landin Sane, Umar Danjo, UDP la nyinchi amenolu, buda atuda tel sate mol le bulu, minul ka kate o fay wolye. Also fight against those people alkal tanolom progressed bawo momo lota boxo kundo ite la carte o jolon Adama Barrow le wallahi billahi ite mam banko je kon nan teyale atina ya fay Adama because he mafuko Adama president kendelom Adama president londitilom Adama momi yalongo nani wol leader sol bende kate jelel amalote nde mala kote ngonde buka jube. Yes, but we have to thank Ba Ousainou We have to thank the Dabokunda family, especially our wives and our dingolo. We have to tell them, 25 good years. People are insulting this innocent man. Alia accept, because alko, hence Gambiano lenata no kan ntelutante. Na father ne anata suokono is our father. Bar nilungo minna a wulita political kola drong Gambia be follow. Aleo sacrifice ota, aleo painter. Mbafola leko, we are very sorry. Alsal hako boendin telu banku dingole milu ya lonko ibe bause nu koma. Minul fanali ya neng ali tuje hani bina diata al kontine ali ya neng. Ala neng. Because Adam ale kal ki katiketol sangali kakul beke kafale alna ali ya neng. Dindi merentol mili ya lonko mbenge lon jan. Dindi mere. Ni belon amanke kom melon dindi merengol. Amanke kom melon de ni lon. Bare alfa kendo aka mo furu ngo bulule. Because dindi wo dindi mbitalo le ka wandi alfa ne. What are you sending? Niamina alfa ne ayejo yala bejo la kela alfa ne. So jumale ita alfa ne ifa le alfa ne bari mantel kulu wonyam anu bawsenu akamune fomole mo kana nendirke ngal dan. Let nobody reply to anybody me yentene. Altel Gambian kolu ko alka finti dolu beje koy ke donne katun adama le winta ali alo ne kunu munekata nyimmo batari ngolu alama ala ya tunye katun te famu mo batari ngolati ndebe selana ayen stop ni na moto munetele be edella korda be temma fangala ban kay temma fango munto ay adam barola den kodu muso ala musuya horomo le fanga yatin kuma be kuma to ma fay nka temma fang kordal siata temma fang munto etella muso mu karti ka abuka to fang fono tango dat ka man na muso fang tolong alhamdulillah at all ka obe fonye mbete gundinde ndebe siri motogon akonyo ko temma ko la dalas tam to ngata atasa ka kodo tembala jang nka kodo tembala jang mbebola sere kunda ila barola molu male kata mun tole to ko kata fu talindi neban ngam mofla so lifla paro del ko le be bala wala atina lote nge bulandi nko ko nal mantra ku kilinak but as sisters wala atina mbal sambaka straight ya mune fonyo hana yo UDP nga nko ko man UDP la wow nko why manglena me 2 months tengena commencé de complain ñu la xaar because we want good policy in this country yen ngeen bañ fekk xamulen dara bari be deri moto kono ni kataata je foy futate lodou la nge jindi biri nge jindi ye $20 so bondi eko akodo ko nga jokko $20 yes $20 mu ko di baledi o wato $20 so tente bulu te najibo kono dalaso tembulu dalaso wote najibo kono no ayo fonye nkai ko no it's okay yen dengen bari halis tak waye man ma melen bari nga kumo mim foy ngoy ko 2 months you will suffer. Yes, because they don't vote on policy, they vote on hate. Ndata fala mo kana mo makoy Gambian ko le carte o file de andu ya file against Adama Barrow alin sen hakilo to woto baki Gambian ko le carte o file against Adama Barrow alingam batu na alfalda investigation o e bambang nge lamoy. Let's not rush to conclusions. The targeted people of UDP minuli alonko be mansakunda aniye minul suspect ko wolbe be UDP na diate Adam Barrow be bay do kola bari balo nako ifa mama nyim mansakunda lo ini Gambia bele dental yes, sembo min soto je wolfanale o sembe kilonzo. You were never a civil servant. Gambia ye bondi from a riffraff ye ke president. So nite ya mutako today you can sack and hire anybody. Dukarake. Ibalo nako power belongs to God, not you. Laurent Gbagbo Name Karandi. Alassane Conte Name Karandi. Mali la president Name Karandi. Ultaya of Mauritania, Name Karandi. Where is Ultaya? In the prison. How many years have a president Yal? Mauritania. You will end up in that prison cells. Niatara. Foni ala yela wato sindi aye kumandi. Ba wobe mobe le nyato. Ala ma jam falela. Ala me tankala courant la. Bara Adam ite nyasumu ya soto la nak. You make Gambian people to suffer. Mi yente jakala alko kunu brikama jang. Barita eba lansario minjela kabe dongole la ila koro ngalte la kada puju ko pajaka marse okon welcome to dirty the camp ina nalbe puju ko pajaka la jiyo kon ngayal promise de ko rega be loptano le lola la ko because of covid ki makeno adara farara ka vole ko mbe 1000 bedroom hospital le lola 1500 Ni Alonko is only 104 bedrooms and kela wallet 104 ata nyinata ko tenda sol leketa a nyinata ko contractol ko be fota wolele adama hakilo tu e kamimfo ni ano yete la mol kumande na tali lala koteke yeta talin lala yo nyim 5 years o ni ano e molu nen ni ano e mol gar wale bari la Gambia diyate mo nyaato de isa lonko lunne be sila ite tarla o place to de mo dole fanam be tarla je ye julo min dum wala be jola je sama do kulalo ali adama nyin ka jam fatalay sala fangoy kumo fali ali man na fatalay sa sot aliko way nga carte o faal atata ali alko almo ga jiolu fango soto opposition ol yal ma ko jan jiolu alko nga carte o fay adama ala 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 sina koy abina koy la fay sene fer kuro mobe kumoka altele alon albe minto altele alon almalla fi minna altele alon lafta minna bar gambian kolu de wallahi ye carte o fayla against adama baro adama ka winta foni saba mbe kuma kilim fola jang fatu mata jabi first lady of Sierra Leone very good person very good family background. The husband is super good, Madabeo. But Madabeo, Allah intention, through a permittal wave on Sierra Leoneans, Allah Sierra Leonean citizens are destroying our country. Mbaitan lalaja. Mune ati nangof. This is a voter's card. Me Alonko is a Sierra Leonean. I cartel fight Banjul North. Atefaule a Natal ayakenunga la statusto moya sotonye anatana dinna. A Sierra Leonean by the name Anes Usman Anes Oman, O-U-M-A-N lebije. So the other name mimbe tonkongro because a bulo I only land fonko kam mawoje. Accord ala occupation is business. Akwabe number 2 number 24 new primate in Banjul. Pooling center St. Joseph Senior Secondary School Ayafai Woleto. Aha. Anes Oman Kanu. akontomu kanulet. It's a Sierra Leonean. Fatoumata Jabi, no Gambian among karte fay mi yalonko. As karte fay no Gambian, but let him legalize his status. Among naturalized jang. Andu among karte damad. There are some Sierra Leoneans militata karte ol fang fay foni. Ye operate le ye tala ye janjan di dulaluto. But me and Jahal IEC la koto. IEC ko molu bejele minulu ya lonko. Momo ite karte o fainola foni atra ko etobe fonko bala bari nata min kalamuta $10,000 ile dita Sierra Leonean la wo Sierra Leonean pour e voters card lu nyini bari wo voters card e manyini through the IEC iko na informante min fonyi wolom nyinti ko they got their own printer so nyalo munde sana jaju kanyim fole nun I was critic of it wali junior ya fole I was critic of it Bamba Masi ya fole I was critic of it because nko atatara nyi la data kono but how come sign wol kakarte o fay so IEC wolle fango we pave Adama Barrow to rig the election after Adama Barrow threatening IEC's chairman at the Makat Square. Ndengajel, wo is an assault. Adama ya assault le. The IEC chairman. This Anes Oman Kanu he wants Gambian people to continue crying about Sierra Leone, Amamin Soto Sierra Leone. He is having that in Gambia, but he doesn't have good heart for Gambians. I know ko Mother Beo and Mrs. Mother Beo, Fatoumata Jabi Mother Beo, if they hear this and if they see this, they will be very disappointed. Ilaftela banku de comfort la shotojang. But you see how they hate our country? Ali alo ne munana Adama Barrow tariara ka pamito bondi. Ya kenyin sifal le kama. But Anes, Gambian people will never forgive you. Gambian people, we will never forgive you. You will die rotten. You want to make Gambian people to suffer in our own country. We will never forgive you. I will never forgive you. My generation will never forgive you for voting on this day, on the 4th of December, 2021. You will never die in peace. You are making Gambians to suffer in our country that you want to look for a greener pasture. We open our hands for you. We gave you comfort. We gave you everything. You hate us until to this level, to lead us to sufferation. We will never forgive you. Whoever facilitates this thing for you, we will not forgive that person as well. Anes Oman Kanu, you are a bad citizen of Sierra Leone. Sierra Leoneans are very good people. Gambians will never forgive you. And any other foreigner who doesn't legalize his or her own status here, but by having our voters card through the help of the NPP bandits, we will never forgive you. Wallahi, Allah, we will never forgive these people. Let them die miserably. Yes. They make our country yen tumaranke yandi na Bangkokan. We respect their laws so that ngela kaitolo soto. Ntele mafoko banku ike bulo yele forinal yele yena Gambia. Gambia in Sierra Leone wo sign ne famu fam. Wotumo governor killing ke mara. Sir Charles Makati will bebe wole kono. It's one. This is why a lot of Gambians were born in Sierra Leone. bari nte law banku de mil biye e man jump yeta e ka legal fonko ke ka carte o fayje bari Sierra Leone why you people hate us why ngamune kala Fatmata Jabi Madabeo tell your brothers to surrender our voters card. We don't want them in our political discourse. Let us stay with them peacefully as one family, as friends. But na politico, nimben na president Sindila, they have no right to do it. Fatmata Jabi, if foreigners come to Sierra Leone, want to unseat your husband at Diale, and you are a Gambian, don't destroy Gambia. Don't be part of the people who are going to destroy Gambia. Yes, we are not intending this. This is not your intention. For them to illegally obtain our documents and then put themselves into our political discourse. Much more to select our leader. Talk to them. Let them surrender back that document. If they want to legalize their status, they are welcome. We are one family. Nobody is denying them. It's a lie. That people telling them that if this political party came, they will deport you. What have you done? Are we not in other countries? Are we not crying that our citizens are in Germany and Italy, they want to deport them back? Are we not crying? So why are we going to deport hard-working foreigners who live in this country? Why? Why? So Fatmata Jabi, this is an evidence. Honest old man Kanu, Oman Kanu, he voted. Inko nyimba blobala anala voters card wolo munti akagambeno le nyawal mi yalon ka nyanta kake secret la fangoti. You see, we will never forgive him. You will die miserably. Yes. Niano ila parents soul, if they hear this, they tell you to return this. Whoever helps you to obtain this, wallahi, in our baby father miserably. Because we will never forgive you people. Ngalne ala tunyola. Yes, ngalne ala tunyola. So nimbora auto Brikama. Alko Brikama nkole ko ekweka fintile dolu. Ekweka Adama Barola ko celebrate. Baba na. Hello? Daddy? Come. Malafi finti jano. Malafi finti. Okay. Tabungo. I'll sorry, I'll hiccup. Yalombe bambane ro fanana de. Ndabuga na adulado. Lafatala nu UDP mol nyanta bemol kala birol to no bar I'm not feeling well. So malafi ngataje. Daddy. Not follow. No phone call. No Facebook call. So nyino mukuti mi yalonko Brikama nkolu yela karteo file andu ya fay UDP yele wo mol minul be dongola ali tuje ila video lu be mol bulu le la natalo be mol bulu lumbe sire to video ni won natalo ita like la Baba mbadu ika xamé jok ndax dal yem adodi mbadu okay adodi awa ya efara sa yo baru ngadoki jode e kawmin baaki that's very good ale kadu de gal sorry de baba ne robe keri ni mum famal ka ni mun na dadi ndel be ni la sama fight kan comme Adam Barrow ba dinguta fight kan nyama asamba America kan da baba baba fa bin kabu bin bin kabu bin oui yo alheka so womol mil fintite koy ke donne dukara li tuje ye do itel yamira ko itelu ikamolle nyawal nyimbir kama kilingo wolle fintita jambrin draft constitution o balanta do manke satetu do manke mankunda inate do brikama is good for this kind of things nak because nyo jaw yala siata nyin satetu to jambaki bari nkoyele ko you will see this what a problem ala fonye Gambia jam marseo be sate jumalo to brikama marseo seneyata min dukare nimi yalon ya fonye nimi yalon marseo to marseo Gambia kono marseo means brikama marseo seneyata min ala fonye Allah ifremi ala fonye sarba na kama ba sarba ala fonye brikama marseo o seneyata marseo jumalo dukara lintel nitel tunyola ha pamodu bojang ye discourse lede ibela target o kono iko silang they want to see how you going to work on them pamodu I know you are a faithful guy but ibela target o kono le nak pamodu bojang King FM yes pamodu bojang King FM ibe albela targetol konole andu jumal le bakan ifamala on cousin yes the Barrow is going to be a dictator nak because iba prepare kan bari la dolu borta morol yala wolko because ibe bon la minister yala well, I would not even mention that because I don't care who is their minister, who is not their minister. No. But minister mean la minister will be securing. Mamburenja is one of them. Dr. Isaac Toure, ita ma secure koti. Ni ano e kajol fetengaye, ni ano e kuol. So nyine biye salwato felenta sita mfana mina danna jangata salola ngala la wato diala bari mbalu tentula bake mbal jaila. So let's stay calm. Our leaders are trying to figure out what exactly went wrong. So Ninketa, there is something fishy anyway. Ning is not the result that UDP pulled. That is not the result that Adama Barrow pulled. So nsalo wonyama. Bari butung ngalamoy muna mina akela even though namoru kunna kolumbe tentulambe jaila alla duwal le jabita ala baraka loya dabo futata moru bundato dukare mbal tentulam mbal jaila ngalon ko Usenu Dabo anande kelale fisir wadot alla duwa abina murundila al kanne ko te ko hormoni bunya kan baral ya katale de dukare ala kungol wuli alla duwa le jabita alla duwa le jabita karto fayta Usenu yele Usenu Dabo gagnetale Usenu gagnetalde barin sali tentu bake ngal jay nani moru kunda ton kol birin kombo jam fo foni fo nyomi fo bolongo kono basse fo kananan jara kiyan foni mbal tentula mbal jayla Usenu Dabo futata moru kunda to hana mam futano dami ngay kila ki dami mbal tentula mbal jayla al tella duwa e UDP muta alla duwa le banko muta mbal tentula mbal jayla bake ala baraka wandi molu iman carte o faye ye wala carte ota muna tinnan tella leader solo ipuka integrity fonction ifama ya lonko molu fatan nale iman carte o dinna e ka fo ko be wolle ta di le tela min ma dila ebite kala alqur'ano wal qur'ano le balbe halakla mi ya mutawo mi ya te prepare mi be kal kangalo asal be halaki because kalobe ke kam min ka manke toñati ha manke toñati so ministal barola ministal abal buluje apareta fatuma baro ba fulay ko kariman beteya o mojani mandin kolom aka UDP lo support no al palazzo lati nano aka fon fenkende fatuma baro that woman is evil, very evil. Barnana dal kan aka mune kam fala ngamra ka man nga kan la fal nal bota jata ta aka ke may ko ceddo mojani mbe diaspora mol tentula bake from my chairman Mafode Cham to na country coordinator solo na deputy chairman o Saddam Sanyang Lalo Jeite Sanusi Jeite all Italy mbe tentula bake Musa Jamme of UK ani modol botana Finland dol botana Sweden dol botana America Abogar Sidikol Papa Samolu alhamdulillah mbe molu tentu bake amus kunda ton kolo ake kunda ton kolo minula lon ko botana diaspora to fight for the country ala baraka raise your head up ale kuke al fangol malon wo pleno kono al dunta o fonyo kono al tambita banku kese la pour kana nyim banko bon abe tontale barajol alo develop filije e ko be siri america le ko ga fu molle ko yeah you know they have to accept when they lost because they know that ko it afola directly go yes we are celebrating because they lose it but it can diplomatically let's work together. Still, our Baba is our Baba. We will stand behind Baba. Honorable Dabo. Kununtata je desan. Biranya inja konya Musa ankai nam. Konya je ifana natale nkai had natale beta jande do mandim fang. Konya al numbara. Mbal tentula ay mune fogni wolom nyindi ko abe gambian ko tentula bake because ye carte o fayne Baba was in good spirit sai ye mune fananke NPP nkolu eko because Baba ni rolato min kata eko ka Baba la wala fanani Allahu akbar bar ala le wala kande ala le sasa la kan but alhamdulillah ala operation tata true so ni doctor solia advice ko he have to go with that but momo ka nya wala iko ka wala demonstrate ya rabbi ni manso anya balla mbedan na jang ala baraka bake ngal tentu ngal jay salwatu sita ngana nga saloke. Thank you all for watching. ala baraka.